and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And what's hot are collectibles. There has been a renewed treasure hunt for two rare 50 pences in particular. First, the Olympic 50p offside rule, and of course the 2009 Kew Gardens Pagoda. Well, the 50 pence actually charts the history of the UK's membership in the EU, charting all the highs and lows from 1973 to our eventual withdrawal in 2020. Fascinating historical resource marking the changing nature of the relationship. Well, during lockdown, people have also been looking at their first editions stamp collections, which were as common as Green Shield stamps in the 1980s, although my cupboards are still full of the glassware collected by my dad, as he took Haribo far and wide when he introduced it into the country in the late 70s and early 80s. Haribo and confectionery too, as you can see, can also be a collectible item. But we're now getting into digital collectibles, and this is where I want to introduce you to the company Coincilium, which was the first blockchain company to be listed on a stock exchange way back in 2015. Now, one of its joint projects is a crypto postage stamp, which will be issued by the Gibraltar Philatelic Bureau and be tied to the release of a blockchain-based digital collectible non-fungible token counterpart. Well, the thing is when Coincilium started, Bitcoin was trading at around $1,000 per Bitcoin, and now it's trading in the region of $50,000, and Coincilium's treasury has increased in symmetry with Bitcoin's inexorable rise. Now, will the easing of lockdown assist the book building, the $1 billion book building of Carnival? Now, Carnival hasn't really been able to fully set sail since last March, and the proceeds from the offering will be used for general corporate purposes. A bit of ballast required for that share price, although it's not doing too badly. Now, if you need to shift a bit of ballast, then gyms are preparing to reopen. Now, until then, people are exercising their eyelids, watching the share price of Gym Group, which is jogging its way back to pre-lockdown levels. Of course, it's quicker if you fly once you get through security, and we can see the share prices of IAG, the parent company of British Airways, EasyJet and Ryanair, starting to lift again. Well, hopefully your spirits have been lifted after Boris's latest chat to us about how he's going to ease the lockdown slowly, gently, safely. See you again next week.